Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to make tomato sauce using fresh tomatoes. First, choose about 2 pounds of ripe, flavorful tomatoes such as Roma or San Marzano varieties. These are ideal for a rich, sweet sauce. Thoroughly wash and core your tomatoes. Then prepare a pot of boiling water and an ice bath. This simple step makes peeling the tomatoes much easier, ensuring a smooth sauce texture. Once peeled, roughly chop your tomatoes into 1-inch pieces. This size helps them cook down evenly. Place the chopped tomatoes in a large pot and simmer them gently for about 20 to 30 minutes, allowing them to soften. After cooking, use a potato masher or an immersion blender to break down the tomatoes to your desired consistency, creating a smooth or slightly chunky base for your sauce. Now let's add some incredible flavor. In a separate pan, sauté 1/2 cup of finely diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. Add this aromatic mixture to your tomato base. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh basil and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your personal taste preferences for a perfectly balanced sauce. For the final step, simmer your sauce gently for at least 30 minutes. This crucial period allows all the flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking and ensure an even reduction. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings one last time. Your delicious homemade fresh tomato sauce is now ready to enjoy or store for later use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.